Hello everybody, welcome back to this video. I'm gonna show you how to remove your coin from the exchanges and you become fully self-sovereign. So this video is basically really simple, how to just take your coin off the exchange and send it to your self-hosted wallet, which is like your uh to your own custody. Now we go to the exchange over here. It's gonna show us this is the exchange we go to, right? uh, and then we click on our asset and we go to the a coin we want to withdraw, and we click on withdraw, right? So but first, this is the amount of BTC that is in this account. That's 0.00139,159, right? So gonna go click on withdraw. So and I click on the coin I want to withdraw, which is BTC, obviously. And then next thing I do, I have to insert the address over here, right? So basically this is the address, where I put the address, and so I will move to the wallet I want to send the Bitcoin to, and so I can copy the address from there and to bring it over here. All good. I just get the address from the wallet I want to send it to. I simply copy the Bitcoin address that says BTC address, and I paste it in this position over here where it say BTC address. So once I do that and I say, okay, how much I want to withdraw, I want to withdraw all of it, right? I don't want to leave anything in the exchange, right? So once I click all, and it showed me everything I had over there. It says I'm gonna have to spend in transaction fee what 0.0001 BTC, which is really small. So I will receive 0.00119,158. This is the amount I will be receiving, right? So when you after they take the fee, right? So and then I will just put the my two-factor authentication code over here, and then I will be good to go. Alright, so now I just put my code, and the next window says BTC withdraw and withdraw request submitted. So I just have to check my email, right? And once I check the email, and then the email will I can approve the withdrawal from the email, right? And then the transaction will be sent. So this is how you withdraw your Bitcoin from the exchanges. No excuse to leave your Bitcoin on exchanges. So because it's really simple, very easy, and you have nothing to lose by doing so. Because if the exchange go bankrupt, you probably gonna lose everything you had there, because you just have IOUs on that exchange, and they use that Bitcoin for a lot of bad things. So basically, I use it to create more Bitcoin, fake Bitcoin, in your behalf, and so it hurt everybody else, because when you think there's a certain amount of Bitcoin and it's not there, because the exchange use those create other Bitcoin, in terms of just like you know what they do with in the banking system, like the uh, quantitative like easing, or what they do, like um, they multiply the amount of money in the system, and they trick everybody else. So prevent this to happen to us in the Bitcoin economy. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again. Bye, cover.